Very good morning, students. I hope you all are fine, right? All of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay, students, we are in the chapter geometry. In last class, we learned about construction of angles, right? Constructions of different types of angles like right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Students, today in this class, I am going to teach you lines. Okay, so we know what is line, right? Okay, a line is a collection of points extended endlessly or infinitely in both the directions along a straight path, right? Okay, all of you see here, for example. Okay, this is one point, this is one point. Okay, I am going to give name to this point, x and y point, and now I am going to join these 2 points with extended arrow on both sides. Okay, so now here we got what, x and y line. Okay, a line is a collection of points extended endlessly, okay, in both the directions along the straight path. Okay, students, next we are going to know types of lines. Okay, there will be 4 different types of lines. Okay, first type of line is coplanar line. Okay, coplanar lines. Second type of lines is parallel line, and third type of line is intersecting lines. Fourth type of lines is perpendicular lines. So there are 4 main types of lines: coplanar lines, parallel lines, intersecting lines, and perpendicular lines. Okay, students, next we are going to know coplanar lines. Okay, two lines lying in the same plane are called coplanar lines. Okay, for example, all of you see here, this is one point, this is one point. Okay, now I am going to give name to these points, A and B points. Now I am going to join these 2 points, A and B points, with extended arrows. Okay, and next I am going to write another line. Okay, with points. Okay, I am going to give name to these points, C and D points, and now I am going to join these 2 lines here with extended arrows. Okay, now here we got 2 lines lying in the same plane, right? Okay, so AB, okay, AB and CD. Okay, CD are coplanar lines. Okay, so 2 lines lying in the, okay, so here AB and CD are 2 lines lying in the same plane. Okay, so here AB and CD are coplanar lines. Okay, students, next we are going to know parallel lines. Okay, when two or more coplanar lines that do not intersect are called parallel lines. Okay, so these parallel lines are equidistant from each other. Okay, parallel lines are equidistant each other. Okay, so here all the parallel lines are equal in distance. Okay, and symbol of parallel lines is like this. Okay, so railway tracks, bank of canal, opposite edges of a book are some examples of parallel lines from day to day life. Okay, so two or more coplanar lines that do not intersect are called parallel lines. Okay, these parallel lines are equidistant each other. Okay, we are going to denote parallel lines into two vertical parallel lines. Okay, and the parts of the parallel lines are also parallel. Okay, for example, all of you see here. Okay, here these three lines are parallel lines. Okay, so because of here two or more coplanar lines that do not intersect here. Okay, so here these three lines, okay, these three lines are parallel lines, right? Okay, so the parts of a parallel lines are also parallel. Okay, and we know, right? Okay, parts of the lines are, that is, line segment or rays. Okay, that is line segment or rays also parallel. Okay, for example, all of you see here. Now I am going to draw two parallel lines. Okay, with points. Okay, I am going to give name to this point, A point and B point. Okay, and here one lines. Okay, I am going to draw here one line. Okay, I am going to give name to these points, C and D points, and now I am going to join these two lines with extended arrows. Okay, now here we got AB line and CD line. Okay, so here AB line and CD line are parallel lines, right? Okay, so here AB is one segment, CD is one segment. Okay, so here AB and CD are parallel line segments. Okay, and these parallel lines also can be a vertical, horizontal or oblique. Students, all of you see here, parallel lines can be vertical, horizontal or oblique. Okay, so here two vertical lines. Okay, two vertical lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so here these two lines are vertical parallel lines. Okay, here two horizontal lines, right? Okay, so here two horizontal lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so here these two lines are horizontal parallel lines. Okay, so here two oblique lines are there, right? Okay, so these two oblique lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so this is oblique parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines can be vertical, horizontal and oblique. Okay, students, next we are going to know intersecting lines. Okay, when two or more lines that cross each other are called intersecting lines. Okay, for example, all of you see here. Now I am going to draw one point here and I am going to give name to this point, X point. Okay, and next I am going to write another point here. and I am going to give name to this point, A point, and I am going to draw another point here. I am going to give name to this point is B point, and I am going to draw here one point. I am going to give name to this point C point. Okay, I am going to draw here one point. I am going to give name to this point is D point. Okay, and now I am going to join these points. Okay, A and X points with extended arrow, and X and B point with extended arrow, and here I am going to join 3 points. Okay, see here two intersecting lines, A and B line and C and D line, okay, have only one common point, right here, X point. Okay, so here AB and CD intersect at point X. Okay, so two lines can be intersect on one and only one point here. Okay, so this is intersecting lines. Students, next we are going to know perpendicular lines. The lines, two lines that intersect or meet each other to form a right angle are called perpendicular lines. Okay. Students, all of you see here A and B lines and C and D lines intersect at point O here, right, to form four right angles. Okay, this is one right angle, this is one right angle, this is one right angle, this is one right angle. Okay, so totally four right angles. So the perpendicular lines symbol is like this. Okay, and here AB perpendicular, okay, AB perpendicular to CD line. Okay, so students, in this class we learnt about types of lines, right? Coplanar lines, parallel lines, intersecting lines and perpendicular lines. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.